Hello and welcome back. Hopefully this video is going to be a little bit shorter than some of the others. What we are going to talk about here is haploid versus diploid, okay, in terms of cells, all right? And what haploid and diploid are addressing are the number of chromosomes that are present in a given particular cell, all right? Typically, the way we note that is diploid is going to be 2n, haploid is going to be n, okay? So in terms of human chromosomes, our haploid number is going to be 23, okay? We have 23 different chromosomes present, all right? Our diploid number then is the way you're going to get the diploid number is to multiply the haploid number by 2, okay? So our diploid number is going to be 46, okay? When we're talking about a diploid cell, okay, we're talking about cells that have a complete set of chromosomes. All right, the haploid state, there's going to be a very specific subset of cells that are going to exist as haploid. All right, and that subset of cells are going to be the gametes. Okay, the gametes in female, that's going to be the egg. In males, that's going to be the sperm. Okay. So the haploid versus diploid number is how we essentially count or keep track of the number of chromosomes present, all right? The goal of meiosis is to generate 4 haploid cells, okay? So we need to reduce the number of chromosomes present in the gametes, because when the egg and sperm come together, so we've got our egg with 23 chromosomes here, we've got our sperm with 23 chromosomes here, okay? That's going to give us then, when they come together, a fertilized egg. We've got 23 from mom, 23 from dad. That gives us our complete component of 46 chromosomes in that newly fertilized embryo, okay? So that fertilized egg, once the sperm fuses with that egg, that's going to generate our zygote, okay? And then what happens after you have fertilization, you're going to have cell division that's going to happen. That cell division is going to be mitotic, all right? You're going to have mitosis. So you're going to have you're going to start with 1 cell, end up with 2 cells that have 46 chromosomes, so on and so forth, until you generate the whole organism, all right? But in order to generate that organism, we have to reduce the number of chromosomes in our gametes to half, okay? That's the haploid number. All right, and that can vary, that's going to vary depending on the different species that you're talking about. If the diploid number for a particular species happens to be 20, the haploid number would be 10, okay? So you can figure that out. That's kind of easy math. The math really isn't going to get much harder than that here in this particular class, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know.